Hi everyone, this is Priyanka from Zurich.com and today I'm standing at 32nd Avenue, the next Khan Market of Gurgaon, and I'm here to tell you this amazing opportunity, like once in a lifetime opportunity to lease out these amazing restaurants. Since it's a place that a lot of people already know about and it's already running this amazing crowd. Now let me tell you a little bit about this place and these amazing restaurants and bars and clubs. Well, talking about the location, 32 Avenue is located in Gurgaon. It is just across NH8. We're talking about inside. What is inside? These beautiful and luxury shops. They have amazing bars and cafes to hang out with your friends and family, and then there is already an amazing crowd. So this place is already developed and you do not have to do anything. You just have to come here and just purchase or invest your money over here. Why this place? Now this place is just like Khan Market in Delhi or Cyber Hub in Gurgaon. This is even better. All the commercial places are nearby, NH8 is nearby. These shops are available to rent out for 30 years on lease. And every shop is of minimum 500 square feet, which can be rented for rupees 320 per square feet. That's the one point. Another USP of this area is that all the shops and restaurants are ready to move in. They are well maintained and well known. The biggest question when you invest somewhere is what is the ROI? The ROI here is 7%. And since this place is already known by a lot of people, there's already a crowd, you do not have to work on anything, you just have to literally buy them. If you will look around, there are many cafes and restaurants that are designed in a way that they look like a castle, so it gives you a very vintage feel. And the ambience is also perfect for Delhi Heights and people who live in Gurgaon. Very eye-catching. It's next to NH8, so it's a perfect place to hang out. This project is a part of 14 lakh square feet of Milestone Venture. So that is another great and amazing point about this place. So there are many corporate offices near this place. So all those employees and people who want to hang out after office hours when they're tired and they would just want to relax, they will come here. Well, your customer over here will never like to leave since the ambience over here is just amazing. Talking personally, if I come over here, I see a better crowd over here than any other marketplace. So that's one amazing point. This place is just amazing for people who love to party. This has an amazing nightlife experience. So your customers are gonna enjoy for sure. Now that I've come here, I do not feel like leaving. But I must tell you that if you're planning to invest, this is the right time and the right place with the right crowd. So you must go ahead and do what is right for you. It's time to say goodbye. If you have any questions or queries, you can feel free to contact us on the below mentioned number and we will help you out. Thank you so much. And if you also want to showcase your properties on Zurich.com, please contact us on the below mentioned number. Thank you.